Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Nandito ako ngayon sa Newville. This is located in San Mayor, Tanza, Cavite. And ito Newville pala is along the road lang. I'll show you the gate. Yan yung gate niya oh. And then kalsada na po yan. Yan yung 13 Tanza Road. And ang pinakadulo nito going to the right ay SM Tanza po. And pagtawid dyan ay meron pong elementary school dyan. Kaya kung meron kayong mga anak na mga bagets and elementary pa, it's very ideal. Kasi tatawirin lang po yung eskwelahan. So we are here because I wanna show you yung mga model houses natin dito. And then tuturuan ko rin kayo kung paano po kumuha ng unit dito, okay? And as you can see also sa likod ko, I hope you can see it. Yan po, ongoing pa po yung development dito. And in fact dito nga wala pa po siyang wala pang mga buildings dyan. Kaya pre-selling yung status ng dito property or for construction pa kasi nga po gagawin pa yung mga bahay. Yan, may nakaboldos pa rin kaya nakabakod pa. Okay? So first natin titingnan ay itong corner unit. Ipapakita ko sa inyo muna yung cluster. Yan yung cluster ng Newville, puro po townhouses, and I'm gonna show you now anong itsura nung corner unit. Okay, one moment. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung end unit. Basahin natin yung nakasulat dito. So this is Newville Townhomes, Astrid corner unit. Lot area is 78 square meters. Floor area is 73.80 square meters and improved area of 126.60 square meters. So, ang features niya ay meron siyang 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath with balcony, 2 carport provision, pocket garden and laundry utility area. So, tingnan natin ha. Okay, makikita po yung aso ko dyan. Okay, so ito ngayon yung carport niya, good for 2. And then, yung pocket area, nandun yung pocket area. Pocket garden area pala. Nandito banda. Okay, so meron tayong balcony as you can see. So, pasukin natin yung bahay para makita nyo ha. Actually, yung inner unit and then yung corner unit, halos magkapareho lang naman ang itsura niyan. Ang difference lang naman yan usually is yung lot area and floor area. Kasi nga, may balcony kasi dito. So, this is the living room area. Kasama na rin yung dining area. Okay. And then, mayroon ditong toilet and bath. Okay guys, so as you can see, ay fully fitted na po yung bahay kasi may tiles na, may pintura na, and then gamit nyo na lang po yung dadalhin nyo dito and then mga furnitures, okay? Yung mga bintana dito are sliding windows and then meron na ring grills yung bintana, which is nice. Okay. And then puntahan natin yung second floor. So we are now in the second floor. This is the master's bedroom. And this leads to the balcony. Okay, nandito na yung balcony. Very nice. Paikot yung balcony papunta ron. And then, since this is the master's bedroom, it also has its own toilet and bath. Okay, nandito yung toilet and bath niya. May shower na. Okay? And then, may door pa pala dito. So, itong bathroom pala dito sa taas ay connected siya sa master's bedroom kasi may door dito. And then, paglabas mo dito, may another door siya to make it common. This is the second room and this is the third room. Okay. Grabing takbo-takbo niya. Okay. So, this is the regular unit which is the inner unit na townhouse. Astrid pa rin yung name, but regular unit siya. Kasi yung kanina na kinuna natin is the corner unit. So, meron tayong lot area of 52 square meters. Okay, floor area of 60.40 square meters and then improved area of 90 square meters. Of course, mas maliit to kasi tingnan mo naman, no? Ang inner unit kasi yan yung balcony niya. Compared to the corner unit, syempre, mas malaki yung balcony niya. Mas malaki also yung parking doon kasi 2 carport doon ito 1 lang. 1 carport provision lang to. Mas maliit din also ang area kasi nga inner compared dun sa corner. Okay? And sa description na itong video, ilalagay ko yung kanyang computation dito. Magkano to. Kasi pwede pag-ibig to eh. Alright, so ito na ngayon yung ating itsura ng inner unit. Okay, and again, this is a 3-bedroom townhouse. So this is the first bedroom. Second bedroom, may mga abang na to for aircon ha. Tingnan nyo naman, meron na. Okay, and then yung common toilet and bath is here. Ayun. This is the master's bedroom, connected pa rin sa toilet and bath. And then, this is the balcony. Alright, so may balcony siya. Kanina, tinignan natin yung corner unit doon, and then yung inner unit doon, which is the standard turnover unit. And then this time, titingnan naman natin yung dressed up model. Yun bang meron ng furniture na model unit, which is this one. So this is the Astrid dressed up model, and as you can see, inner unit pa rin siya. Okay, katulad siya nung, ang details niya, katulad nung Astrid regular na inner townhouse na furniture ko kanina. Okay, so this is available with 1 carport slot. Okay, and then since dressed up ito, kasama na sa pinaayos ito, oh, which is a nice idea, right? Pwede kang umupo dito. Okay, and then may pwedeng paglagyan ng halaman. Pero yung aso ko bawal pumasok. Doon ka bawal pumasok sa loob. Bawal pumasok si Kyura sa loob. Okay, so maganda yung pagkakagawa ng carport. Very nice. And then meron ditong outlet ha para sa electrical appliances nyo. Okay? So pasukin natin yung loob kasi may mga furnitures na dito which is very nice. I-close ko lang para hindi pumasok yung aso ko kasi bawal yung aso dito sa loob. Okay. So ito na ngayon yung itsura ng furnished na Astrid model. Very nice, right? Naganda yung pagkaka-interior. Later on pala, after ng tour ko dito sa dressed up, I'll share to you kung magkano and paano kumuha nitong bahay na ito, ah. Okay, so nandito yung living area, right? Please show us the living area. Okay, nandito ngayon yung sofa. And space saver yung pagkaka-design nito. Nandito yung sofa. And then, nandito yung table with this very nice chandelier. And the kitchen area. Nandito yung ref, cabinets. Okay, yung sinks. And then, to make the space bigger, dinlagyan ng interior ng mirror. Para hindi masikip tingnan. Okay, and then this is the very nice toilet and bath. Improve na rin ito kasi hindi naman ito yung standard turnover. Pero pwede nyo itong gayahin. And then what is nice is tingnan natin yung likod ha. In-improve din ng interior yung likod. Magandang idea to oh. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Ito ngayon yung likod. Meron na ditong tables. Meron ditong chairs. Kumpara natin dun sa standard turnover kasi makikita naman dito sa likod yung standard turnover. Show us yung standard turnover dito. Nandito yung standard turnover ha. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Basic, di ba? Plain na plain. Okay. And then, compared mo dito sa na-improve na version. Okay. ng back area nyo. So, this is very nice. Gayahin nyo ito para mas maluwag at maximize nyo talaga yung space dito sa bahay. Okay, so, may papakita pa ako sa inyo dito banda na area. Okay, so this is the TV, right? But sa likod nito, i-maximize din yung space kasi nilagyan ng shelves. Right? Nilagyan ng shelves which is very nice. Nandito yung ibang mga gamit. You can put books here or your trophies or certificates. Very nice. Okay, this time pupunta tayo sa second floor para makita nyo yung itsura ng 3 bedrooms doon. Okay, dito muna tayo. So, this is the first bedroom. Okay, for the kids. And then over here, there's another bedroom. This is the second bedroom na. And then, this is the common toilet and bath. Itong common toilet and bath, may door dito, right? That makes it common, diba? Pero may door din dito, which leads to the master's bedroom. And the best room is here because this is the master's bedroom. Ang ganda na pagkakalagay ng bed. But this bed is not included in the turnover, ha? Kasi model house lamang po ito. But I like this bed. Yan, no? Hindi ko alam kung ratan ang tawag dito. But merong ganito dati yung sa bahay pa ng mga lola ko. Yan. Very nice. Very nicely interiored. I love it. And then, over here is the balcony. Okay, hindi na ako lalabas sa balcony kasi sarado din naman siya. Okay, maganda yung bahay, right? I like it. And I also love the location kasi along the main road po siya. Along Tanza 13 Road po siya. And your nearest mall is SM Tanza, which is very close. Pagtawid nyo, may elementary school para sa mga anak po ninyo. And then, malapit din po ito sa Vista Mall. And of course, malapit din ito sa Palengke. So, dun sa baba, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung paano kumuha nito at magkano ito. Okay, pati monthly, i-discuss ko sa inyo sa baba. Right now, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung paano kumuha dito, okay? So, dito sa Newville Townhomes, pwede itong i-avail via in-house financing. Pwede bank financing, pwede Pag-ibig financing. So, yung regular unit niya via Pag-ibig na lang yung i-discuss ko. And then, yung other prices for the end unit, corner unit, or yung bank, and then yung in-house, ilalagay ko na lang sa description nitong video. First is, ang price nito, for the inner unit ay 3,680,000 as of the moment. So ngayon ay January 8, 2024. Okay. So ang down payment natin ay 1,004,000 less reservation fee of 20,000. So yung net down payment natin ay 984,000. Okay? Yung down payment natin ay payable in 2 years, which is 41,000 per month. At yung balance, pwede nyong i-loan sa Pag-ibig. Kung kaya nyong i-avail yung 30 years, yung monthly nyo po ay 17,576.55. Okay? And then, ang required gross monthly income ay 50,218.71. Okay, regarding sa Pag-ibig pala, di ba ang monthly nito ay 17,576. Kung ang inyong income ay hindi pa aabot ng 50,218, kung kayo po ay married, pwede naman combine income. Okay? So, for more information, paano po kumuha dito and any other details, kontakin nyo na lamang po ako, and yung other computation, ilalagay ko na lang sa description nitong video para hindi po kayo ma-confuse na napakaraming numbers. So, yun lamang po, and thank you so much for watching.